GestarCAD is a native CAD software that combines high-precision and advanced tools at an affordable cost. Designed for designers, architects, and technicians, it provides a reliable and high-performance working environment capable of meeting even the most advanced needs. One of its main strengths is full support for the native DWG format. This means you can open, edit, and share files without the need for conversions, avoiding data loss, and ensuring full compatibility with other widely used CAD software on the market. GestarCAD offers a complete set of professional tools typical of top-tier CAD solutions: precise and detailed 2D drafting, advanced layer management, associative dimensions, dynamic blocks, external references, and accurate print management through layouts. Snap, grip, and quick edit functions enable precise and immediate adjustments, while optimized performance ensures smooth handling even of large and complex files. GestarCAD integrates advanced features expected from high-end CAD solutions while keeping costs under control. Discover all available licensing options by visiting our website architools.com and try GStarCAD free for 30 days. You'll be able to see firsthand how seamlessly it fits into your design workflow.